Okay. Let me go upside and so here what we are trying to understand is line continuation. So let's say I'm typing a particular, so this is a variable, kind of a container or kind of a key whom I'm associating a value. Okay, so this is total. What I did is I use an equal to and then I'm performing an addition, but my addition is so long. So let's say, I mean, it is crossing screen for whatever reason, but what I have to do is I have to make this line and this line both together. Okay, so what I can use is I can use a backslash. Okay, so then what it will do, how will it consider? It will consider like this, control X. So this, and okay, so this particular line and this, these both are making same sense. Okay, because I have used this, it's a line continuation. It will treat this line as a part of this line. Okay, both will result into same output. Let me take a simpler example. Let's say this is 10 plus 10 and this is, let's say this is also 10 plus 10. Okay, so it's 40. You see, it is taking this line and this line both as continuation. If I not do like this, I mean, most probably it will try to give me an error, because it will tell like in this 10 plus 10 doesn't make sense. Okay, and if I only take single line here and if I do like this, so it will only be 20. So I hope, I mean, you guys are able to understand like what line continuation is. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so so the next section what we are trying to understand here in this example is multiple statements on a single line. So if I need to type, for whatever reason I need to type, like my three variables are there, x, y, and this, there is, I'm typing an equation. In your, I mean, high school, you might be used to type certain equations, right? Like z is equal to x plus y, where x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 20. Okay, if I need to type all these in single line, what I can do is I need some sort of separator, right? So I can use this separator, which is called semicolon. Okay, semicolon. In your keyboard, it is lying like after L you have colon and semicolon, so this is semicolon, the bottom symbol. Okay, so if you do like this, I mean, it is a valid syntax in Python. It will treat this as x is equal to 4, y is equal to 20, and it will perform this equation like z is equal to x plus y, and it will print it. Okay, 24. Okay.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.